is our final week in Chicago and we are moving in Kentucky for good. And in this video, you will see us trying to fit in our time visiting Timbuktu, attended Ate Josie's birthday, and driving in danger under the tornado warning.
The house is nearly empty. I've never been emotional since. It just hit me today and I just want to cry.
Ang ganda ng ano ni Ate Josie, oh. Yung setup. What can you say about Ate Josie's birthday?
I think she is rich because all this not cheap. It's definitely not cheap. That's for sure. I mean, look at just the decorations on the cameras.
Yeah.
And like, how a little DJ hired over there.
Can you stand out there? I want to show your dress. Zoe?
We're going to continue with our small program in about 5 minutes. Going for now. Okay.
Si Ate Josie, ayaw pumirme. Gala ng gala.
Make the wish. All together. Tita Josie, happy birthday. Let's hear it one more time for our birthday celebrant, Tita Josie. Alright, thank you everybody. So please have a seat.
Hey, Zoe!
I'm on my way to drop off the recycling stuff that I have to give away to Goodwill. I'm about to leave the house and it hits me. The house is nearly empty. I've never been emotional since the day I moved out from where we rented in Chicago. But this time it really hits me. I've been moving here and there multiple times. I miss being with my girls. I miss Zoe today, although I know Zoe is coming home. But I have to be tough. I have to be strong. I sent my girls to the Philippines because it's the only chance I have, and it's the only school that is affordable and doable to give them the degree and to give them the future that I wanted them to have. And it just hit me today, and I just want to cry. I told Tommy, I said, I'm so sad. The house is empty. I thought I'm very strong. I thought I can make it. We've been planning this for so many years. I have all these aspirations. Even before I divorced my ex-husband, that the kids will study in the Philippines because it is affordable education and come back here in US and build their own life. I will go back to the Philippines and take care of myself. I don't know why I am being emotional. There's no reason to be, but it just really sad, as inside, and it just really hits me today. I don't know how parents endure, the emptiness house, like their children are having their own lives, their children are going to school, and they were just left behind both and wait for the kids to come back home. Now I understand it is hard. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and drop off all of this stuff to Goodwill. I'm really sad today. I think it's part of it is my hormone, and we like living in this area. I fall in love to the place. I mean, I treat this house as my fresh start. I rebuilt my life here, and I'm not giving up US end of October, and then the following years it's gonna be about December to April. So that's gonna be going forward, and I'm just like super sad.
Okay, Zoe, ano, Melo?
You think we're leaving?
Not yet. So today, these two will sort the Christmas decorations to go. There's so many Christmas decorations that I cannot take. It goes to Zoe. All right, we will be here. What's the commotion, Melo? What's the commotion?
Hey, Tommy.
Well, you can go about this the easy way or the hard way. The easy way would be just, I'm going to throw it all in the back seat and in the trunk, and then when your dad gets here,
I'll be mad.
Yeah, hard one.
or you can make some choices here and pick out a select few things.
Okay, you have to open it.
See, yeah.
You like?
That's definitely cute.
I have the feeling that you will like everything. Babe, you need to, it's gonna get heavy. It has to be taped.
It's a small box.
You see? I'll get the tape. Davi, I'm gonna give you this. Okay?
What's that for? I can't
This one is to scratch off all the scratches in the car. It's gonna remove all of those white.
Oh, I wouldn't care about the car.
Okay? It's them, They can do it. That's why I give it.
To get your dad some more boxes. A lot more boxes.
I need mine, my stockings,
Love
and
that.
Patai's stocking. I don't want that giant stocking.
That will be the stocking. That will be his stocking.
Yeah, that'll be his stocking. That's gonna be Patai's stocking.
Okay?
Yep. The size difference is crazy, but I mean, it's fair.
That's Angel. Yeah, all of us have stockings.
This looks like some knockoff Lego thing. Look at this. You don't want it.
Okay, I'll get scissor. No, Tommy has a knife. She's
I want
trying.
to watch her.
She's trying.
I want to see this tape job.
She's trying.
You gotta want to learn.
Okay, Tommy, we need your knife. No.
Darn it, it's on the wrong part.
It has to go on the outside. Okay, in the outside. 1 minute, Zoe, 1 minute. Don't rush. That's the problem with you rush. Okay?
Go down here like this. Look at, rub it down, get it stuck. Then hold this down and go all the way across. And look it, hold it taut. Look it, go down, wipe your hand over it.
Okay.
Go down like this, see?
Yes, I do see.
And then you go like this. You don't even need a knife.
Alright.
We'll see if she can cut it.
Okay.
Your turn.
Let's see, your turn. There you go. Pull it all the way out. Yep. Oh. Yeah. All right. Not bad. Now tear it.
Can you tear it?
Yeah. Not bad.
Okay.
I'll do in the middle. Yeah. And line it up where it's covering both. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing the other box. What is it? Oh, her review.
Like one quote.
Good job, Labi-Dabi. Melo, you're like a tail.
Does this one go in the front?
Yeah. You can give it to Austin, the Christmas lights. Yeah.
This is all garbage?
That's still working lights. I don't want to throw it away. You can give it to him if he wants it, or we can donate it. It's less garbage for us to fill.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the Jeep right now.
Good job, Labi-Dabi. Okay, now carry it to go in the back trunk. You just learned one skill today.
Now go get your humidifier under the TV.
Okay.
Get it in here.
Babe, she got it. She's doing it by herself. Nice.
Okay, now get that humidifier under the TV.
Good job, baby. What else do you need to go bring?
You want these?
I'll take the yellow one and that one red one.
Okay.
That's it.
Put them in there. You don't want these other things, do you?
The bucket. Are we gonna bring it to Missouri?
What?
The blue bucket.
Did he bring that one plane to Missouri too?
One plane to Missouri?
This plane? Okay.
No, that goes to Missouri.
The bucket?
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly. Yeah. Okay, Labi-Dabi, is there anything you're thinking in the house that you need to bring today?
No, Mom, I don't think so now.
Okay. Okay guys, pipick upin na yung sasakyan nila ni Zoe tsaka ng tatay niya. Tingnan nyo. Tuwang-tuwa. As usual. They're going for a test ride. Test drive. Test drive. Ito test drive ni Tommy. They're going for a test drive, Labi-Dabi. No, I think they're back. Just exited, Labi-Dabi. Oh, they didn't even leave yet. Zoe is setting up her own computer.
It's not that big of a deal.
Why?
It's a count. All I have to
Were you left behind? Oh no, she's left behind. Yeah, you're left behind. Yeah, you stay here. You didn't go in the car. Poor Mello, poor Mello. Poor Mello. She wants to drive everywhere. They'll be here soon. They're doing a test drive. You know what is a test drive? Yeah? They're driving it if it's perfect. Labi-Dabi, they're back. Are they back, Melo? Are they back? Yeah? They're back. Huh? They're back.
Super well, I know you were doing all that. Yeah, super clean.
Goodbye, Angel's car. Goodbye, Angel's car. Melo, you didn't go with? Oh, Melo did not go with.
Car ran good.
Hey, you guys. We are going to Timbuktu. We are going to drop off some of the stuff that we need para na hindi na kami bumili in the future. So, we will be changing cars again, as usual. And everybody welcome. See that? You can probably fish here, Zoe. I don't know what's the taste of the fish. You're not here today.
No, it's that lady. I know. Yeah, and the fifth wheel up there, she's not there.
You know why it's not the weekend? It's during the week, it's empty. Weeds are growing.
Jeez.
The water is so low. Can you jump, Melo? Can you jump? How are you gonna do that? You gonna get help? Kiss? I did not ask you that.
What?
You crazy! Don't do that to me. You always forget the keys.
Tommy.
Okay.
Okay, it's been a while since we've been here. Ouch, the weed grows. Poor Melo. Yes. So we're here to drop off some of the supplies and some of the stuff that we think we can use here before our final move. Poor Melo girl. Are you okay? Let's go inside. You can't even open the door. Davi Davi?
I don't know what key it is. I thought it was one of the black ones.
So he's fixing the Timbuktu board. Put it down, Lavi Davi, so you're not gonna get accident with that. Uh-oh.
This stuff.
Welcome home. They've been mowing our grass. Look at this.
I think the water was all the way up there at one point.
The water is low this time. Look, one tree. There's the tree that fell.
Yeah, look at the water was all the way up here. See how it's all cracked and everything?
Yeah, the water was high, right? Until here, look.
Good thing you weren't there.
Girl, don't go down. No, you're gonna slide. Stay there.
Should have brought the weed eater. I didn't think of it.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll stop by one more time. No, this is the final drop.
Coming back up here next time, I want to get Lily.
Okay, look at the bubble in that thing. It's
No, I know it's.
getting worse or not?
Yeah, I'll probably buy a better camper next year. Get
Okay.
rid of this one.
What's it gonna do with this? Trash it?
Give it away if we have to.
This is temporary. I'm afraid we're gonna get like insects inside or rats or whatever. This is your new house, Melo. Okay. Doesn't smell bad. It's still okay, babe. Nothing really.
No, it ain't terrible.
It got spilled or something.
Why?
No, I'm just like checking
Oh,
if
yeah.
there is like.
No, it's fine. Looks okay.
Looks fine. We can still survive here.
A place to stay. Better than sleeping outside.
Yeah.
I knew I bought one of these, and I was looking for it.
And where was it?
Here. I wanted it for our camper in Kentucky. I'll have to get another one.
Do you wanna bring it with?
No, I kind of like to have one for her too. But
Okay. Well, we will put stuff in here. And this is it, guys. This is our final drop, and we will be in Kentucky. And the next time we will be here is coming back to see Zoe when she's back to school. Problem.
oh, that one blew up too.
Oh, fixing one another.
Shit.
To fix our water line without knowing this is also broken. Oh crap. It's so funny. So he's gonna turn it off out there. Ay ay ay. Everything breaks. We love you to work, babe. Oh no. You want me to take a picture of this, or you know exactly what you were looking for?
No, I know what I'm looking at. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig down and find the broken pipe.
It's funny.
Or we just run our hose over there.
Yeah.
Over here.
Well, I already flushed, so that's fine.
You had water to flush?
I flushed it.
Make sure that rock doesn't land in the grass so a mower blade don't hit it. Alright?
It was here actually. She picked it up and bring it there. Ready to go home? Good luck, Timbuktu. You ready? Huh? You ready? Okay, just wait. So we move.
Move over. What's this?
I bring it back. That's the silo that I have to wrap with the other stuff. Good job, Melo. Okay, let's go home. Good morning, guys. Today's the final day of our moving. Aray ko. Saglit. Okay. So, final day na po natin. We are pulling our mattress. We are pulling our washer. Some of the personal effects na hindi namin maiwan sa Kentucky nung lumipat kami. Yung mga damit namin. Ayan. So, today we will have a convoy. I'll be driving the jeep. Tammy is driving the trailer. So, Zoe will be with me. Melo will be with Tammy. So, wala akong Melo ngayon. And this morning, we are going to have a breakfast outside. We were foraging our food. So, wala kaming pagkain sa bahay. So, I have to go out and get some personal stuff kung kailan tayo lilipat. Tsaka naman dumating yung ating dalaw. So, wala akong gamit kasi nga pinagtatapon yung iba. So, I have to go and get some. Then, I'll pick up some breakfast. You ready?
Yeah. Hello. Me and Tommy got the matches all done.
Good job, Lapi Tabi. You help him?
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit down. I know. Good girl. Final touch. Na babe?
Did you film the house? All the baseboards,
I'll go film from the basement.
walls.
Yeah, I'll film from the basement. Let's do a final walkthrough. This is the basement. god, guys. We are leaving the area with a tornado warning. It's really dark and it's only around 12 o'clock. And behind us is a dark sky. And there's something that is building behind us. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it's like 6 p.m.
Correct. So we have to get faster and leave and head south. The sky is not friendly right now. And it is starting to rain and oh my god. Oy! Yeah, some of the electronics out there, we actually wrap them with plastic bag, so it's not gonna penetrate. It's not gonna penetrate the water. Oh my god, it's so dark. Dark.
Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. We're gonna. Oh my god. The worst possible time. It's like kind of green. It's kind of green. Wow, this well. It's like a really dark. Can't see it on camera. My god. It's so dark right now. Can't see it, but it's dark, trust me.
hazard on so people behind us can see that I am blinking. Tommy don't want to stop. Tommy keep driving. He doesn't want to stop. Everybody are under the bridge. And Tommy said, let's get out in here. And I don't know if we are out yet of the danger zone or not.
We might be going straight into the danger zone. Who knows?
No, I think we're leaving the danger zone. It's following us. The sky a little bit green in the back.
That's bad.
Look here.
Holy. It's green to us. It looks blue on camera. Oh my god. Oh wait. There's a reflection. There's a reflection. Oh, that's cool.
Here's Zoe in the front. That's mine.
It looks bright blue on camera. It's green. It's green to us.
It's actually like a cloudy. It's a dark cloud, like above.
Yeah, it looks like a bright blue with dark blues and like just kind of green. I don't think that's good because the rest of the sky is white. So that can't be the sky.
Okay, turn off the camera.
We have hail. If you hear those noises, it's hail. We are officially in no good zone.
There's no stopping.
If we stop, we die, probably. By the way, that's the clouds. That's not the sky. The sky is, the clouds are green. When is that ever good? It's like teal-y green. It's like dollar IRL, but look at this. Oh my gosh. God. This is the worst time to go to Kentucky.
Oh my goodness.
Ugh.
That's hail. Oh my god. Oh, scary. stopping. Tommy is like dry. Oh! Guys! Ah! It's so loud! Ah! That's a big one! Ah! Why are you not stopping?
Yeah, we're not doing so good.
Everybody stop! Show that door.
Oh Lord. My God. Oh, the thing turned off. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
No, fine, fine. No, it's not showing, but the sky is really. It looks cloudy. It's green. It's green sky, guys. Hopefully, if the TV's any good. Mommy, stop crying. We're in a metal torpedo, practically. Gonna be fine. It's hitting us overhead, not on the glass. We're gonna be good as long as you don't open the sky roof.
So we're in a full stop right now. Guys, I am shaking. Tommy don't want to stop. He said keep driving until we exit because there's an exit that will drive away. But I think it's following us. I think the storm is following us and Tommy don't want to stop. Everybody are like stand still, like parked on the side. I understand that it is like he's rushing to go. I don't know. But I'm kind of like scared about caught in the tornado. The barricades are flying away. I bet there was a tornado out here. They flew away. Tommy brings me, but oh jeez, it's flood. Sorry about this. Okay, look at those. All the barricades are flying away. I bet there was a tornado. Huh? Let me check what's in the back. It's clear.
Yeah, the back is clear.
Alright guys, I think we are almost clear.
Yeah. The sky is barely any green now.
Yeah, we're almost clear. Gosh, I'm so scared.
There's no hail. It's literally.
I just eat my crackers just to distract myself. I was shaking.
It's literally just rain, Mike. And a green.
Those are dangerous to drive. Look at that, guys. Look. They got hit here with a tornado. It's crazy. Who is going to remove the barricade? We are barricaded by all of the flying objects in the road, so someone else is getting them off. So it has it's the driver that is in front of us. Good for you. My God, one car is she just like keep driving on. Look her car.
That's a fire.
No, look that
Which
car.
one?
Look, she hit
Oh.
something. No,
That
that's
sucks.
horrible. Okay, we'll see if the road is wide enough for us to drive. Ding, 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 ding.
Hey, Mommy, we made it out. It's just rain now.
Okay, thank you, driver.
Whoever you are, you're our hero.
Thank you so much. There's more ahead of us.
I mean, I think we're driving.
Imagine if we were here during the storm or during the tornado and Tommy did not stop driving.
Yeah.
This is the exit that he said, oh, we're gonna pass by, we're exiting in LaGrange, which is exactly the route. Oh my God. All right, you can sleep now.
Yay.
Alright, guys, safe travel for us. We will be in Kentucky. We're still in Illinois. We're not even far. We're kind of like about 20. We're about 20 minutes away from our house. So I'll see you in our stop.
Yeah, we don't need to go to the car wash then. Right? Yeah, we're good.
Oh, we made it. Oi.
It's not that bad.
Got caught up here. So Tommy said,
The
okay.
sky's white, not green or teal.
Tommy said, okay, let's go.
Turn right toward US 45 South. Then immediately turn left onto US 45 South.
All right, we are going south.
East on West Manhattan-Money Road. Continue on West Manhattan-Money Road for 2 miles.
10 miles away, we will be out of the storm. Okay, that was crazy. I crossed bridge with water. What else did I do, Zoe? Drive through the storm.
We cried about hail.
Drive in the hail in a zero visibility, and Tommy don't want to stop. Okay, we are in a convoy and I have to catch up with his speed. He is running 70 and I'm running 60. All right, so we will stop by somewhere to eat, okay?
Get sleep.
Okay guys, drive with us today.
I was texting my
Leave that phone alone. Get the garbage. Put that charger back.
Oh my God.
Go throw that garbage away. Hurry up, kid.
I literally had only one key on.
You're crazy. You have drinks out there.
Yeah, what's this?
It's her milk.
Is this any good? Probably not. You're not. Throw it away.
You gonna go
I'm
potty?
gonna bring the lovey-dovey out.
Okay. I'm not going potty, but she wants to, so I have to go and.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and go, honey. I'll watch the cars.
Okay. You wanna do potty?
Yeah. I'll,
All right, let's go potty. We are in the stop. Melo needs potty too. Look, oh, she's still limping. Okay, Zoe needs to go. I'll just go walk with her. Oh, it's the bush. Ang dami mga trucking dito na. Ang iba sa kanila natutulog yan dito. Nagnanap. Ay. Alright guys, bathroom break muna tayo. Nandito kami sa Post Oak Rest Area. Yan. Okay.
What, lovey dovey?
Just
Want something to
joking.
drink?
Huh? I have how long do we need to go?
About 2 more hours.
2 more hours. You want drink? Okay, go get some. Hi girl. Hi girl.
Squirt?
Hi girl. Hello. Hi. Hello.
You
I'm
want
good.
something, mama?
Thank you. Are you happy? Happy? Oh my god, she's happy. Yeah. Okay, we will be behind you, okay?
Thank you later. Thank you later.
I'm the boss. That's what I am.
Thank
The
you
boss.
Thank you so much.
Alright guys, 2 more hours. Huh?
How you doing? Okay?
I'm good.
How's the fuel?
Half.
Yeah? Good. Hurry up.
Seatbelt.
Thank you later.
Okay, let's follow Tommy. 2 more hours. Okay.
Get me there now.
See you in the property. And we crossed the bridge, Zoe. And we arrived, guys. Okay. And we arrived. Melo is home! Melo is home! Yes, girl! Yeah! Woo. Okay. I'm thinking it is leaning forward. I don't know. Is it only me? But that's how I feel like. Huh?
Now I see it.
Can you tell?
Yes, I can tell.
You can tell it's leaning forward, right? That's what I think. Okay guys, we will have dinner and rest and park properly. I'll see you tomorrow.